Find or read reviews that people are talking about. OXILAM 2024 newest, 9007, HB5, LED headlight bulb. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose OXILAM 2024 newest, 9007, HB5, LED headlight bulb. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. CSP chips, 600% brightness improved. OXILAM 9007, HB5, LED headlight bulbs are equipped with 12 PCS upgraded CSP LED chips, providing up to 600% brighter than OEM halogen 9007 headlight bulb. 6500K cool white and 20,000 lumens bring you a clear vision, allowing you to safely cross the suburbs and desolate highways at night. No adapter, 5 minutes plug and play. 9007 LED adopt 1:1 design with halogen bulbs, no polarity, no additional adapters, 5 minutes plug and play without any modification. 100% compatible with dust covers and small space headlight assemblies. So you can stay away from all kinds of installation problems, especially the 9007 LED bulbs with external drivers on the market, all of which require adapters. And the installation of this adapter will cause the 9007 LED bulb cannot be fixed. 20 years lifetime, keep it bright. The all-in-one design 9007 LED headlight bulb adopts an all-aluminum body and copper substrate. And an 18,000 RPM high-speed silent cooling fan is installed on the top of the 9007 LED headlight bulb high and low, which can dissipate heat more efficiently and timely. So that it can maintain perfect light output for 20 years, will not diminish brightness and burn out over time. Safest beam pattern, view wider. HB5, 9007 LED headlights high and low beam precisely mimic the position of the original halogen filament with 0.03 inch the ultra-thin chip. Using the same perfect beam pattern as halogen bulbs, focusing on the farther road with a clear cutoff line, gains more reaction time. No dark spots or shadowed areas. Wider vision and safer driving than other LED bulbs, no blind oncoming traffic and cause an accident. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.